Greetings, children. Welcome to the online classes. This is Aishwarya. Please like and subscribe the channel for the further updated videos. The following video is for class 2, subject General Science, chapter 11, the solar system, part 3. Now, in part 1 and part of this lesson, what did we learn, children? The main solar system. So, what is solar system? Solar system is nothing but the sun and the 8 planets together make the solar system. What is it? I repeat again. The sun and the 8 planets together make the solar system. So, what are the 8 planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. I hope you have by now you have by hearted all these names of the planets. Okay. So in the last class we learned about terrestrial planets and gaseous planets, right? Then we learned in detail about Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet. It's the first planet in the solar system. Then we learned about Venus. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system. Then we learned about the Earth. The Earth is the planet that we live on. So among the terrestrial planets, we learned all the three. So moving on, now we will learn about the planet Mars. M-A-R-S, Mars. This planet is fourth from the sun. This planet is fourth from the sun. It is known as red planet because it appears reddish in color. Okay, see children, don't get confused which is the hottest planet. Venus. Okay, this is the red planet because it appears red in color. Here you can see the picture how it appears red in color. Okay, so Mars is the planet which appears red in color, and that is why it appears reddish in color. That is why it is called the red planet. Our Earth is called the blue planet because it appears blue in color. Okay, Earth is called blue planet, Mars is called red planet. Next is Jupiter, Jupiter, Jupiter. This planet is fifth from the sun. This planet is fifth from the sun. When you're learning the names of the planet, learn it in the order itself. So it will become easier for you to know which is the fifth planet, which is the third planet, which is the eighth planet. You will understand easier. So Jupiter is the fifth planet in the solar system. It is the largest planet in the solar system. It is the largest planet in the solar systems. Scientists have found that Jupiter has 39 satellites going around it. Now some satellites you can see it on the picture. The shadow you can see of those satellites on the planet Jupiter. Like that, there are 39 satellites. What is a satellite, children? It is the heavenly body which goes around the planet. Okay, we have one natural satellite. What is that? Moon. Isn't it like that? Jupiter has 39 satellites going around it. Then the next planet is the Saturn. With now, what is the number of this Saturn, children, then? Jupiter was the fifth one. So Saturn is the sixth planet from the sun. It has rings around it. The speciality of the Saturn planet, it has rings around it. We can see it from the Earth also. You can see it from the Earth also. It has rings around it. Okay. So that is about the planet Saturn. Then next planet is the Uranus, Uranus, Uranus. Uranus is seventh from the sun. It is the seventh planet from the sun. It is huge. It is icy planet. It is icy means it is filled with ice. Okay. It's completely gaseous, it's icy, it is huge, it is covered with clouds. How we have clouds, they have also clouds. It has a belt of 11 rings and 22 satellites. It has a belt of 11 rings. How the Saturn also had rings around it, isn't it? Uranus also has ring around it, but it is not very visible like how it is visible for the planet Saturn. Okay, so Uranus, it has 11 rings and 22 satellites. Here you can see the picture of the satellites and the rings around the planet Uranus. It's blue, light blue in color. Okay, understood? Next brings to the last planet in our solar system, that is Neptune. 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 Neptune is the eighth planet. It is farthest from the sun. This is the last planet in our solar system. It is the farthest planet. It is the eighth planet. It appears blue in color. Okay, so these three are the three different characteristics of the planet Neptune. Here you can see the picture of the planet Neptune. Now I'll show you the picture of the solar system again. We'll revise once. The solar system contains of the sun and all the 8 planets. What are the names of the 8 planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. By heart the names, remember the names in the same order itself, children. It's very, very helpful. Then the first 4 planets are the terrestrial planets. That means they are rocky. Then the next 4 planets are gaseous planets. They are made out of huge gases. Okay, so to speak about Mercury, it is closest to the sun and it is the hottest planet. Then comes Venus. Venus is the hottest planet in the whole solar system. Okay, and it is the brightest in the solar system. Next comes the Earth. Earth is the third planet. It is neither too hot nor too cold. It is neither too far nor too close to the environment. Sorry, not close to the sun. Now, next comes the Mars. It is the planet that is fourth from the sun. It is known as red planet because it appears reddish in color. That was about terrestrial planets. Next is the gaseous planets. That's Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth from the sun. It is the largest planet. Saturn is the sixth from the sun. It has some rings around it. Then comes Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet. It is huge and icy. Then comes the last planet, Neptune. It is the eighth planet and it is the last planet in the solar system. So I hope you understood everything about this solar system, the sun and the 8 planet. Stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself and keep learning, children.